right? Great 10s. Now we're going to factorize by grouping. So grouping applies when you have 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. What you do, you group terms that have got something common together. And the reason of grouping is to have a common bracket. If you don't get a common bracket, you have to regroup until you get a common bracket. All right. Can I group 2x squared plus 8x? Yes, because there's x, and 2 can divide 8. Can I group negative xy and minus 4y? Yes, because y is common. All right. So now I'm going to put 2x squared plus 8x in one bracket. Can you see? I have bracketed them, one bracket, right? Then I had that minus. Then I have a second bracket. Now, when it comes to the second bracket, if there's a minus outside, I have to be very careful of the signs inside. Because when I multiply, I must always get what I had before. All right, I had negative xy, so I must have plus xy here. So that when I say negative times positive, I get a negative. I had minus 4y, so that's why I have plus 4y here. So that when I say negative times positive, I get a negative. Then from there, you have to factorize each bracket. Right, what's common between 2x squared and 8x is 2x. Then if we divide 2x squared by 2x, we're left with x. If we divide, there's a plus. If we divide 8x by 2x, we're left with 4. My minus was there. Now what's common here? It is y. If I divide xy by y, I'm left with x. If I divide plus 4y by y, I'm left with plus 4. So can you see now I've got x plus 4. I've got x plus 4 inside the bracket. That means that's my common bracket. Then my common bracket, you treat it like as a common factor. So now I'm going to have my x plus 4 common bracket, and then another bracket. This bracket must not be separated by plus or minus. Then the two terms that are outside, you just put them in the second bracket. So we'll have now 2x minus y. Now you have factorized. In other words, our x plus 4, which is common, divides that bracket, and you're left with 2x. And it divides into that bracket, and you're left with minus y. So we're going to cut this one.